Ever wondered how to recreate the iconic Naruto ramen using just rice and ginger? Picture this, a culinary challenge that will transport you straight into the heart of the Hidden Leaf Village. We're going to turn the ordinary into extraordinary, turning simple rice and ginger into a bowl of iconic Naruto ramen. It sounds impossible, right? But with a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of anime magic, we're about to embark on a culinary adventure like no other. Stay tuned as we unravel the secret behind the Ramen Revenge. First off, gather your weapons of choice, your ingredients. Essential to our Naruto-inspired ramen are rice and ginger. Rice forms the base, while ginger adds a kick. You'll also need soy sauce for that umami flavor, and vegetable broth for a hearty soup base. Let's not forget optional toppings like scallions for a fresh bite, tofu for a protein punch, or eggs because, well, who doesn't love eggs in their ramen? Now that we have our ingredients, it's time to dive into the cooking process. Roll up your sleeves and fire up the stove, it's cooking time. Our journey begins with preparing the core ingredients. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and ensures our grains remain separate. Next, steam the rice until it's perfectly fluffy. While our rice cooks, let's grate some fresh ginger. Remember, the more, the merrier. Now let's move to the magical transformation. In a large pot, combine the vegetable broth and soy sauce over medium heat. This is the foundation of our soup base. Stir it gently, allowing the flavors to meld together. As the soup base begins to simmer, add in your grated ginger. The heat will unlock the ginger's potent flavor, invigorating our broth with a vibrant kick. Finally, it's time to assemble our Naruto-inspired ramen. Add the cooked rice into the soup, stirring gently to combine. Feel free to garnish with your favorite toppings. And there you have it, a bowl of Naruto-inspired ramen using just rice and ginger. Now comes the moment of truth, the taste test. As we dive into this bowl of culinary artistry, the first thing that hits is the gentle heat of the ginger. It dances on the tongue, followed by the wholesome, comforting flavor of the rice. The savory broth binds it all together, creating a symphony of flavors that Naruto himself would approve. The taste is a testament to the balance and complexity of this iconic dish. With that, you've just mastered the art of recreating Naruto's favorite ramen with a twist. So, was it a mission success or a mission fail? Well, the answer lies in your own kitchen. We encourage you to try this Naruto-inspired ramen and share your results with us. It's a testament to the power of creativity and the fun of culinary experimentation. So why not take the plunge? Your kitchen is your battlefield, and with the right ingredients, you can create anything. Thank you for joining this culinary adventure. Remember, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying your meals.